How to set up a WordPress blog. Want to start a WordPress blog? Follow these simple steps to get started today. Choose a reliable hosting provider and register a domain name for your blog. Download the latest version of WordPress from wordpress.org and follow the installation instructions. Access your WordPress dashboard by visiting your domain followed by /wp-admin. Browse and choose a theme that suits your blog's style and layout. Browse and choose a theme that suits your blog's style and layout. Start creating blog posts using the WordPress editor. Organize your blog posts using categories and tags. Adjust various settings related to your blog, such as permalink structure and commenting settings. Enhance your blog's functionality with essential plugins like SEO, caching, security, and backup. Share your blog posts on social media, engage with readers, and implement SEO strategies. Follow these steps to set up your WordPress blog and remember to regularly update for optimal performance.